Today we are trying a synthetic wig with kinky edges, and I am so excited, you guys. This wig right here, the Kinky Straight 24. I'm going to be trying all three of these wigs, so I will put the information to the other reviews in the description. This is what the hair is looking like, and let's just get to the star of the show, okay? The star of the show is these edges. Look at these edges, y'all. Look at the lace. It's supposed to be a 13x6. And it comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and it comes with a wig strap as well. And I'm so excited to tell y'all if I think it's worth trying. So let's go ahead and try the wig on. I did not experience a lot of tangling or shedding with this wig. That's definitely a pro for it to be a synthetic wig and a long, straight synthetic wig. So I'm probably going to do a side part because, yeah, I think I'll do a side part. Wow. Oh! Girl, I look so good. This is it straight out the pack, and honestly, oh my gosh, I have so many things to tell y'all about what I'm experiencing with this wig. Did you know that I resell majority of the items that I purchase and review for you guys here on YouTube over on Poshmark? If you didn't, make sure you guys go follow me on Poshmark. The information is in the description, and you guys can shop there with me on the items that I review daily. Items such as wigs, shoes, clothes, and even more is over on my Poshmark closet, and I'd love to have you come and shop with me. And the best part about it is these reviewed items have been discounted for you guys as well. So meet me on Poshmark and let's go shop. It's definitely an upgrade to the Kinky Straight synthetic wigs that I have tried. This is a nice Kinky Straight, not too thick in the density, and it's moving so beautifully. Like, it's giving human hair blend, and this definitely is supposed to be synthetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I am going to tint it some, but I'm just going to use a powder, which I'll link in the description, and then we're going to get into the pros and cons, my full experience with this wig. So let's get into it. I think that the lack of shedding and tangling is definitely a win for us. Texture feels really soft. I mentioned earlier that I feel like the density is a pretty good density. It's not too full, but it's also not thin, and the hair feels lighter than a lot of the Kinky Straight synthetic wigs that I've tried in the past. So that's definitely a pro for me. Of course, the hairline, you guys, I told y'all straight out the pack, it looked really good. I did add some powder to it to tint the lace a little bit, and that definitely has to go on the pros list because these edges, this kinky texture, it looks so good and it blends really well. So I'm actually not wearing this glueless. I did add a little bit of glue, you guys, because I wanted it to kind of just stay in place a little bit more for my liking, but I feel like you get a really good amount of edges. Like, I don't know how much this is, but this is a pretty good amount of kinky edges that you get. So I definitely do feel like I could have worn this glueless if I wanted to. The calf size on this, I feel like, is a pretty decent size. It doesn't feel too tight, but it definitely doesn't feel loose. I feel like it fits just right. But I am using the combs on this one because I feel like it keeps the wig in place more and keeps that lace from like moving forward or backward on me. As far as cons, I feel like I don't have any. Like, I don't have anything that I really don't like about this wig. The typical things that come up with synthetic wigs were actually pros, like shedding and tangling and things like that. So I really like this, y'all. This looks like my edges. It is blending so well. The fact that this is a Kinky Straight wig, they got the texture feeling right, the density feels right, and the kinky edges on the wig, it looks so good, and I am so happy about it. I also want to note that it does lay pretty flat for straight out the pack. I did not put my hot comb to this because honestly, I just didn't really feel like it, and I didn't really feel like it was necessary because in my opinion, this lays pretty flat. Plus, I didn't want to press out any of the kinky texture just yet, especially since it's my first time wearing it. So I feel like maybe in the future it probably could help some, but I like the way it looks like this. I don't really want to add the hot comb to it. So the fact that I didn't have to, it wasn't too bumpy or too thick in the top, like that is definitely a win for me. All right, you guys, I want to know what you think in the comments about this wig. If you like this style, give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you would try it in the comments down below. I have put the link to all the products that I'm wearing, I use, and of course this wig in the description of this video if you guys are interested. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye.